guys, I'm going solo tonight for dinner, and I don't feel like cooking. I didn't eat breakfast. I had an okay lunch, and it wasn't bad. So today I'm having, where I always go. And no, I did not get a wrap. So let's get our prayer on. Amen. Hopefully, because the phone is in the sun, it doesn't shut off. After this, I'm going to the T-Mobile store. See what I can do about my phone. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. That's like extra. Wow. Yes, I did a double. I crave In-N-Out. I do. And it's fast food. It's just not as bad to me. That's my reason. Oh my god, his fries are so good. I really did not want to cook tonight. Like in any way, shape, or form. Got my grilled onions in there, got my lettuce in there. I'm gonna take some out because this is a bit extra. Like, holy cow. They put extra tomato. Oh, yum. Yum. And I got a 7-Up. Normally, I get a Diet Coke with a burger like that. I just gotta go regular. But I do just like Diet Coke. I mean, I really do. I want some ketchup. Can't have a burger without ketchup. Am I right? It's like I think of burgers and ketchup like a diner burger. Have you guys ever had a really good diner burger? Burgers are the best. Yum. So glad it's Friday. I'm crossing my finger that this phone I'm gonna get, the lady said, you know, you talk to people on the phone, then you go in. Oh, that was an online special. Or, oh no, we don't really have that. Who'd you speak with? I know they were from Iowa. Burgers are just beautiful. And they only told me $1 more a month. So we will see if she's a liar. The beach is just like 2 minutes this way. Right there. And then raw and grilled. Yum. That's no flat 7-Up. They give me the secret sauce too. But half the time I don't. I mean, why add more calories? When the ketchup works just fine, but whoa, burger down. The ketchup also is like McDonald's ketchup's really bad for you. And if you guys knew that or not, that's why it's so good. Because it's bad for you. Ooh, what was that? So I made cannoli on an appointment for tomorrow. I told you guys earlier, I am going to the dentist. I'm not messing around anymore. It just needs to be done. I need a deep cleaning. Girl next to me lost something. I gotta clean my car out. Maybe go to the movies. Does anybody else on here hates movie theater popcorn? I hate it. It's disgusting. Just gives me a stomachache. Whoa. my gosh, it's fries though. Do we really need a double burger? Yep. On this Friday, I do. Something fell from a... Yum. Yum. And yum. Man, that was delicious. Like, really good. That was very good. Delicious. But I'm stuffed. Wow, that tastes good too. It's been a while since I had a 7-Up. I always get diet. Alright guys, wish me luck. I'm on my way to the T-Mobile store. I just want to be able to record more than 15 minutes. And I want to be able to stop and go on my video without having to do an editor. No, I'm not that type of YouTuber. No, I try. It goes backwards. No sound. I just want to do what I do and post it. You know what I mean? Alrighty. Well, I love you guys. Toodle noodles, hasta pasta. Later, gator. Cross your fingers and your eyes for me. That I get a phone for $1 more. No money down. And it has the functions that I want. That's all. That's not asking much. All right. Love you guys. Toodles. Gotta go. Bye. Thank you for sharing my dinner with me.